you, everybody! Happy Christmas!
These are super thick. I think I should have added more water to the dough, that's for sure. They are thick, so hopefully it will stand accordingly. I'm still going to try to do a gingerbread house with this, and I think that I might just have to cut some of it, like so it'll stand flat, because this wants to go that way. But this one will stand up, kinda. It was standing up, or was it? Oh, it was this one. See, that one stands up just fine. But I'm also probably going to have to improvise because honestly, I feel like if I put the roof on, it's gonna fall. But this is just for fun. I do homemade things all the time, and sometimes they don't turn out like how I want them to, kind of like this. But I'm just gonna have fun with it and attempt to make a gingerbread house with this thick gingerbread. I do have graham crackers. I'm going to do some graham cracker gingerbread houses, and I think that's going to be really cute and really fun with the kids. But like I said, we are going to not waste this, we are going to use it. It's time to get down to business. This here is just thick, it's ridiculous. This thing's hard as rock.
It's not smooth yet. I still have to mix it up and mix all the sugar up for it.
Are you eating the candy?
A box.
Alright, let's see. Wait, what was this for again? This is not for that. I need to get more of this gingerbread. This is for it. Okay, perfect.
Hey!
So this is the roof.
Graham crackers! We have the graham crackers.
To be cut more. When I was in school, we made gingerbread houses one time. It was so much fun.
Oh, I like gingerbread houses.
Yep.
Not me?
Maybe you'll do one when you go to school, and then you get to bring it home and show me.
Yeah, and I can make a gingerbread picture. And you can see and say, look, you're gingerbread, Mommy.
Ooh, Ava, that looks great.
I like
Ooh,
to
Am.
Maybe I can add this.
Yeah, you can put whatever you want on your gingerbread house.
It's sticky.
We have a whole variety of little candies here. We bought these at where you can like select how many you want, things like that. So it's a little bit messy. What is up with this gingerbread house here? Let's try to fix it.
This is really fun. I'm doing it on the box. The box is going to look more pretty. That's the yard where they do it. Give him a little present.
That's a good idea.
Those are him toys.